Hi my friends, how have you been? It's very nice, it's an honor to be here with you again. If you are in our private groups, for sure we are in touch every day, bringing updates about the market, our point of view about the facts and of the reflects and how we can enjoy and bringing this for our own benefits. And since today, if you are already in our private groups, share this live with your friends, share with everyone. And since today, 6 a.m. Dubai time, every Thursday, we will be together here online, trading in real time and bringing our point of view. If are the first time that we are connected, it's a pleasure, it's a really pleasure to be here with you. And here we are talking about Forex, about how we can enjoy the possibilities of the market and of the Forex in our own favor to win scale in our financial base and have a profitable life in dollar, euro, Swiss franc, and this diversification it's very important as well. We have management, and since today specifically, we will have a talk about the Hormuz channel, about the risk, the geopolitical risk, and the reflects that you can expect for the next couple days. Okay, we will look together about the gold, about how is dollar and the strongness of dollar comparing in the world. And for sure we need to understand that this week we have payroll. This week is not for beginners. This week is if you have some experience on the Forex. But if you already don't know me, I am Kalki the Mage, and we'll be together here and bringing our point of view, our analysis as totality, and how we use today the technology. We will talk a lot about expert advisor, about robots, about indicators, and totality about Forex. So by the other side, today I bring with me two big brands. One of that is the ABC broker. ABC is the official partner of Barcelona Football Club, and everybody knows ABC. And for sure, here in talking inside of Brazil, the people don't know a lot the brokers, the Forex brokers. The people have the mind is closed for the international market. It's one of our targets and goals here to open the eyes and bring hope using the Forex for it. The ABC today is more of the 100 countries, is one of the biggest Forex brokers of all the world, and one of the best things is a very regulated broker. I am the ambassador of ABC here in Latin America, in Brazil specifically today, and we have with them, after I will tell about how we make the management of high ticket capitals and the service that we have available today. Okay, I will share it with you for sure. By the other side, today we have a very big relationship with and partnership with WIKIFX. WIKIFX is the only regulator and validator of all the markets. And if you have, for example, some investment in Forex, some investment in one broker of Forex broker, you need to know how to search. You need to understand if you are in a very solid base, if you will not put your money in a scam broker, if you will not fall in a fraud. And WIKIFX is here to help you, and by free you can look in the description of our live here, and we have a link of the app. You can download it free and use to understand where is your money. Okay, so today we'll talk a little about it. Okay, and let's start. As I said, it's an honor to be here again, and since today, every Thursday, we will start a new chapter. I am starting a new chapter in my career that we are thinking in the name, but we will have this thinking is getting profit before the sunrise. Okay, so inshallah we will have success, and we sometimes we will have mistakes for sure. This is real market, this is real operation. I will give you here my point of view, my opinion about the facts, and you can sometimes we are right. The people that are with us in the private groups know our daily job, how we proceed with everything. And if you are beginner here, stay connected. I will pass in some days the link of a open group, okay, in English, okay, because we have the groups here for Brazilians as well. And since today we'll be connected for we scale in our fronts and use the best of Forex. I permit myself to be here. I am on the market. We are talking about 11 years that I'm studying and 7 years that I just live with Forex. I just live using Forex to scale in my life, to win every goal that I have in my front. So with this experience, I will pass for you with all the humility and my opinion about the facts and how you can enjoy it. Some days before, I pass for everybody. Thanks. I pass for everybody one very big opportunity that now I will share with you before we start here, okay? So take it by Real. We are talking about the Iran coin. And I bring this possibility in the private groups, and I bring on my YouTube here for the Brazilian groups. 2 weeks ago we have a live in Portuguese every Sunday. But as I said, the market is one. I will buy, I will sell with stop losses, with take profit, with limits, with management, and it will be enough for we grow together, okay? Every operation that you make together here is important to say it also. We will pass a signal on the open groups, okay? I will open né? For the next week where you'll be working, but we will have an open group for free signals on in Forex. Okay, we trade here always. After I will say about the about the actives that we use today to scale, but this is important you understand. And let's go, guys. Okay, let's start now. Oh, first of all, I will leave you here just a moment. I will take the charger. If no, the live will finish and it will be very funny. Okay, so be patient with me. We are starting here. Let's together. Give me 1 minute. Take your water, take your notes, and let's start in 1 minute our technical part of this live. It's a pleasure again to be here. Ooh, it's very hot here. So guys, we are back. Let's return. Now I am already sharing my screen here. I saw it now. Let me enter here together with you. And now I will introduce you the site of the WIKIFX. Okay, here it's very simple. It's very easy to use. You have the download of the EPP free on the description of this live, of this video. Okay, just look below. Make your download, use before invest, and let's advance it with a solid steps. Okay, here you can find any broker. For example, I put here ABC, regulamentated. Oh, just a moment, let me change here. Okay, now it's conformed. Okay, perfect. It's in English, ABC. Okay. Oh, regulated. You can look, for example, we have today, every week I will bring here scans, brokers, ghost brokers that launch every day, and you can be safe if you use this site, if you use WIKIFX as your base of validation for every investment that you'll be making in Forex. Okay, take note. Here, if you put, for example, I think that I put wrong here. I put on my Instagram today in the morning the name of one. Oh, let's put other Nash, for example. Here, for example, I will give you here one true example that happened 2 weeks ago. One investor here, Brazilian, he was one friend gave him an indication to make investment in this broker, and before it he sent me, and I searched the same time I stay out. How you can invest in a broker that don't have any license, no license, you can look it here. Okay, don't have any notes, don't have any punctuation. This here you can search, you can understand where you are putting your money, where you are investing your capital, and use it to be safe against bad brokers. Every week I'll be bringing here examples and situations. Other thing, This is one friend that are with us in the private groups is Star. He was almost, he make an investment of $10,000 here in this broker in Star FX. Are you going to put $1 in this fucking broker? Sorry for the word. No way. But now you have a base. You know where you can save. You can search. Where you can validate all the procedures. Here, for example, if you take ABC, let's look here together. The nice. You can see here the note, the score. For sure, ABC is the broker of the environment. Oh, here is changing for Portuguese, maybe. No, let me see. English. Okay, whatever. Just a moment. Here you can see the environment. You can see all the license. For example, we have here the FCA is one of the biggest, most serious regulation of all the world. So we are talking here that we can have all this information and this base of a true broker. Okay, and you can, for example, you have an investment of X broker. Search it here before you invest. Okay, so by the other side, I will start to share the information of these days. As I said, if you are in our private groups, we are in touch every day, and I passed complete information for them in the group about this extreme alert in the geopolitical risk because of Iran, because of the Middle Orient, and what will be the first active that it will reflect, how we can use it in our favor to bring profit for our pocket, for our home, for our families, how we can use it. For sure, the information that we have is that in the next couple of days we have an increase in the war between inside of Iran. The world sometimes forget that Iran is one of the responsibles for the Hormuz channel, and we have a very talk about 94 kilometers between in this channel between the United Emirates and Iran. So I know because I lived 2 years of 2 years and a half. We lived in Dubai, but we lived also in Ras Al Khaimah in the Hormuz channel. It was very near. I usually swim in the Hormuz channel, so I will tell you, there pass more than 70% of the all petrol that brings for this part of the world. And we are not talking just about petrol and the other things that pass in the Hormuz channel that are in risk now. So what it can bring for our understanding, let's together here, just let me understand if it, okay. I just looking if you are seeing the same page of me here. Okay, let me return for the internet here. No, I am in the wrong place. It's here, perfect. So now what we can expect if they close or partially or total. If you close total, in the same moment you see a jump on the petrol in its derivatives. As well, we will be the reflection. It will reflect on the metals, gold, silver, that we have in this last week. It was very, I don't know if you are on the market, but I am recovering myself until this moment of this last opening. So the marketing came, and it's normally, okay? That's why we need to have limits, okay? If you don't have limits, we don't have any possibility to go beyond. Okay, you need to have limits in your operations, and the same markets that give you money will take you out money. That's why you need to have a diversification, management. You need to have a live financial system and working for you. Okay, so that's why you use the technology to synchronize all our operations today. We'll talk about it after. Guys, now with this information about the Hormuz channel and the possibility of this increasing of risk for the next couple of days, we will positionate ourselves. Let me just change in here the page, just a moment. Let me put here the ABC, the account. Okay. Let me just confirm that you are seeing the chart. Yes, you are seeing the chart for what I'm looking. Okay, so let's go. Here, first of all, we're talking about petrol. Okay, let's look together here. How is the reflects of petrol and how you can use it in our favor? Okay, but here very 63. Okay, if you are in the privated groups, we enjoy it. This up wave that we have here, and we are talking about this, the increasing of the petrol, increasing in the value, and the possibilities of it arriving 75 for the next couple of days. If the Hormuz channel will be affected, you can expect 75 here, so take note and let's position ourselves here. So came with me, okay? It's very good here. You understand, okay, how it will reflect for our or here is 54, or we will have a losses of $279, or we will have a profit of 77. It will be the last double, I think, for 40. So let's bring it for less. Or we will have a losses $157, or we will have a profit of 430. It makes sense for you? So this is my first signal for today. The second one, let's look and understand the gold. The gold will have this, this drop. Wow. We have glory days, we have fight days, but we have God in every day. Okay, the money just change of hand. Is everything here. We just need to connect and attract and bring for our reality. Okay? So the gold, we can have a stop here, so take care. I will enter with a very small lot here, okay? Let's understand together. I will try to take a reflection. We believe that it will return, but 75% this until here, okay? Here is the possibility. So we can make a 900 in this operation here, and we can prepare a losses of let's see here, 108, but we need more space here for 7. Yes, the minimum. Yes. So or we will have a losses of 321, or we will have a profit of 950, if I remember well. Just a moment. Why not appearing here? Just a moment. Just change here until appear again. 900. Okay, a little less. Just staying in the line. Just a moment, let's be, $956, okay? So 1 for 3 by 1, okay? So this is the operation, the kind of operation that we may make now. Here we have a expectative of very big drop here that you can enjoy, okay? Eurusd PI, or we have a losses of 307, or we will have a profit of let's see, 720 is very big movement, but we can expect 78. We're talking about almost $2,000, $1,993, or we will have a losses of 320. Is this? Yes. I will put all these operations in our private group, okay? And let's looking and understand if you have a very good reflecting this end of this first week of February. Understand that we have payroll, okay, Friday, and that's why we stay with these 3 positions and possibilities of profit, okay? So guys, by the other side, let me share you here. Just a moment. Just a moment. My screen stopped here. I don't know if it's okay for you. But okay, we have time, no worry. Okay, we are back. Perfect. Yeah, okay, just a moment. Okay. The chart is again in the screen. Now I will change here for the internet here. Okay, perfect. So let's proceed. So here we have the Dixie. We are talking about the valuation of the dollar against the world. Dollar compared with euro, Swiss franc, pounds. Okay, so here we can understand the valuation, the growing of the dollar. And these days, a couple of days before, we have the announcement of a new successor, how can I say, a new Fed president, okay, indicated by Trump, and it makes a very big movement on the market, okay. And anyway, Jerome Powell will stay until the end of May. That ends his command. So now we can understand what we can expect for the next feeds after this change that we probably will have it in May. It's not defined, understand? It needs approval of the Congress, it needs some steps, but maybe we'll have the substitution of Jerome Powell for this new successor, okay? So let's stay looking it and reflect of this and of all the news that we have on the market. Okay, here I always like to bring also I bought gold. Why I bought gold? Let me show you here. PSV trading. We can look here. We are talking about the spot of the physical silver trust. Okay, you can take the same understanding for gold also. Look, let me show you. Okay, when you look, okay, in a bigger time, you can understand the increasing of the volume that we have and why the gold, the silver have jumped. For sure, we are more than 40 years waiting a jump of the gold, so that we didn't have a movimentation like we had these days. And for sure, we are. It's not just the political risk that is increasing the price of the gold, but we have a lot of things behind that. For the next life, I will make a complete I will pass a complete information about gold and about my point of view about gold as totality, and how we take the provision of all the levels that we have been jumping since 1 year and a half ago, if you look in our YouTubes here. So here we have increases. You cannot compare with COVID season. In this year, last year, 2025, we have increasing more than 7 times in the volume, and now we can have a very big bull strongness on the market. The volume show us, and what we can expect, that this movement is just the beginning. So that's why we will be keeping buying gold. Okay, we believe that for the next couple months, the next months, we will reach 60,000 in gold. So we need to enjoy this possibility of growing, of movimentation. And by the other side, any news we'll be updating here, and we'll be together every week here, trading in real time. Okay, so that's it that I wanted to show you here. Okay, I will return here for, let me return for the chart. Let's understand how is the market this first. Oh, in this account that we sell it, we can, just a moment, not yet, no, not permitted. We are 10 minutes of it proceed with the most big tendency here in Euro GPI, USD GPI also okay, same thing. Here on the gold we bought and the market is going against us. Oh God, it's not good. Okay, no problem. Let's keep our position here in petrol as well. Okay, looking in the short time. Okay, here we have, okay, here we can look it better. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for you be here with me, and please put a like here in the video, share with your friends, and since today, every Thursday in the morning time, we'll be together here and bringing our point of view, bringing analysis of the market and making trading in real time for when scaling our base. So let's get prosperity, let's prosper together. Okay, see you until next week. That God and our Savior Jesus Christ save you and keep always with you all the blessings and keep blessing you each day more. Okay, we deserve it. We deserve to live the better. We need to have this courage to go beyond and to live what we have been born to live. So relate to me and see you the next week. Until this moment.